All right, my people. All right, welcome everybody. Welcome. Happy. How was your weekend? And how was your week? How is the weekend going? How was your week? Um, this is Samande, and in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through what we called a full recap review of what you did last week. Remember, I told you some of the pairs will not be taken for the new week, and amazingly, everything played out according to our bias. Let's do a quick recap and let's see if we're lying or not. Don't forget, go and look at the last week video. I said the market is going to be coming down to this point to do an shoulder. I'm going to be shorting. See, guys, same thing and perfectly market did sort. Market was around where? Market was around where was it? Say around something around here or so, and came back to this one. We shorted. And we have been holding when market was around here, holding till it started shorting. Then I opted out something around here. I didn't ever knew it was going to still extend to this point because of this last low. So after that, something around here. Right now, we have been buying and we're starting to what? To still buy and efforts looking for the short. Go and watch the video of the new market outlook on what I did. So that is for that. Don't forget also as well, I also said GBPJPY. But unfortunately, we missed this. This would have been a very good trade for the week. I said markets are going to be coming down to this point to do double bottom, then we'll be buying. Because the last time we got here, we reacted, but it didn't come here, the market start buying. Can you see? This trade really pains me a lot. It will have been this is about, let me check. This is about 600 pips if I'm not mistaken. 400 pips. Jesus. Kai, almost 500. That's crazy, guys. That's crazy. Kai, it's painful. You should have made 400 for 4 to 500 pips just like that on this trade for the whole of the week. But it didn't come to our entering. We're looking to enter at this point, but didn't come there. Unfortunately, we missed that. The next one also, CUSFJPY, same thing as well. I said I was expecting the market to come down to this point. The last time we were here, we reacted. Come and see. And the last time we were here, we had a two drop week reacted. We had a drop week reacted. So I'm expecting this is one. Let's say another one to come here, then we can buy. This one also long. Let's measure it. How many? About 300 also, or 200 if I'm not mistaken. This is about 300. Jesus. Kai. We just missed. Unfortunately, we missed the entry. I didn't get an entry, so I didn't take this trade as well. Don't forget, I told you this as well last week. We're just doing a recap of everything I told you last week. I'm going to be playing out accordingly. I told you last week about this buy. This one market was, I think, was around here. And we got an entry to buy here. I told you the market's going to be buying. It's actually reacting on our trend line. So, of course, you should definitely buy. This one goes and we get the entry and we bought it. I think which one again? If I'm not mistaken. Okay, I think this one. Oh, do I think about gold? Do we take gold last week? Let me check. Did we take gold last week? I can't recall. I can't remember. Yeah. We take gold last week. Let me check. Yeah, we take gold last week. I can remember. I think we entered gold. I think you can remember. Yeah. We took gold last week. Yeah, we took gold last week. Let me try to recall. That was 7th, right? Yes, that last week's Monday was 7th. Yeah. Is it 7th? Is it 7th or what? I don't think so. That was 7th on Monday. 6th rather. I don't think so. But I'm sure of this. We also talked about this last pair. NZD, this one. So painful, guys. I told you vividly I can remember. I told you this pair. I told you we gave you this last week as a short market that's gonna be selling extensively. Remember I told you this was what market did. I said I was gonna be expecting this candle to close in a bearish form. I told you guys that I've been holding this for a while now. I told you I milked the sell. After market came back to entering again, I entered somewhere around here again, and I was hoping to come down and make it extensively, but it keep on going against me. And I told you guys that out. I think market was around. I think where was it safe? Market was around here that time. Yeah. I said I'm still much convinced that this is going to be selling. And when we were going this wrong, and come and see, came back. Pa. Let's measure it. How many pips? Kai. This was so painful. I lost severely on this trade, guys. I lost a lot. Let me see. This is about 400 pips. Chai, crazy. This is about 400 pips, guys. 400. What's a 400 pips, guys? That's 400. What's a 400 pips, guys? 400 pips. This guy's crazy. I lost extensively. That was last week. I told you guys that I was already holding this, and it took me out. So, but I said I was still much confident that what it's still gonna be reacting to the short because I saw it from the long time frame. What do I say? How do I say so? Let me show you guys. From I looked at it from the weekly, you can see after we had the price correction, we had a mongoose selling, and we had a retest under this strong area of concentration. Then I knew it's going to be a reaction, and of course, you should definitely be selling. So that was why I was so firmly and confidently affirming my statement that it's going to be selling. I am still holding on to the shorts. I still expect it to still watch short. But right now, I've given our buyers what we're going to be doing. So you should maybe go and watch our video for market outlook so you can get an insight into what can be happening for this new week. So don't miss it, guys. This is the review of all the market outlook that we did and perfectly everything played out well. If you joined us last week and you're able to get an entry, you should be smiling and you should have made a lot of money for the whole of the week because there is no day, no week, no month that we come here and give you snakes signals like this that you don't meet them as we predicted. It is not by our power, it is by God, and it has always been what awesome and amazing so far. So I want to urge you, you can learn from this video like in case you can share this video with any of your friends so that you can watch and learn something from this video. And of course, if you have any questions or any comments, you can drop it. Let me know in the comment section any trade that you pick, the trade you pick from this recap last week and that made you money from some of this stuff we roll out. I hope you learned something for today. And do not forget to leave a comment, subscribe to this channel, and as well, if you want to join us on our Telegram where we have trainings, specs, and lots of educations, you can as well join our Telegram group and let's do this together, guys. The link is around this video, or you can ask for it. Any of our support will send it to you. Thank you so much for joining me once again. I wish you a lovely week ahead. Bye for now, guys. Peace out.